Hello children, welcome back to today's class. Okay, today the previous session what we have discussed about lesson. I have just revised the lesson and also we have finished A bit and B bit. And today let us write C bit. Okay, C bit. Answer the following. Following questions. Okay. So what is the first question? Okay. What did Sindhubad? What did Sindhubad decided to do after he had lost all his wealth? Okay, what do you want to do? Answer. Eppadaithe his parents, okay, the property and the wealth what has is given to him, okay, after losing everything, what you have decided? Okay, answer. Sindhubad decided after losing he want to join in a company as a sailor. So what happened? Okay, after losing everything, the property what he had, okay, what he decided? You want to join in a company as a sailor. ఒక కంపెనీలో ఒక ఉద్యోగిలాగా, ఒక వర్తకునిలాగా అందులో జాయిన్ అవుదామని చెప్పి అతను నిర్ణయించుకున్నాడు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఇస్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్? What did the sailor do on the Green Meadows? What did sailors do on the Green Meadows? What they have done on the Green Meadows? Let me say Green Meadows మీద. Answer. Okay. When their ship was struck okay, when their ship was struck, the sailors want to go on Green Meadows to take some rest and have some time to spend. Why the sailors went? వర్తకులు ఎందుకు వెళ్ళారు అక్కడికి? Okay, when the ship that they were traveling, when it was struck, okay, the sailors want to go for a walk. They want to spend some time in the island where they was stuck. Okay, copy these two question answers neatly. Pencil. So write, what did sailors decided to do after he has lost? Sindhubad decided to do after he lost his wealth. Sindhubad decided after losing his wealth, he want to join a company as a sailor. వర్తకుని లాగా join అయ్యాడు. Next, write neatly. What did sailors do on the Green Meadows when their ship was struck? The sailors want to go on Green Meadows to take some rest and have some time to spend. Okay, copy them neatly. Finished? Let's write last question. Okay, what is the third question? Third question. What had the captain decided to do with the packages? What had the captain decided to do with the packages? What do you want to do with the packages? Packages em chedam anukunnadu? What do you want to do? Okay, the captain decided to deposit. Okay, dispose them to the family members of Sindhubad. If I ever chance to meet with them. Okay, deposit them to the family members of Sindhubad for for their benefits. You want to give them. You want to. So the captain want to give the packages that belongs to Sindhu. Okay, you want to give the package that belongs to Sindhu. You want to deposit the money. You want to give to the family members of Sindhu for their benefits. Okay, ఎప్పుడైతే అంటే క్యాపిటల్ యొక్క సింధు వస్తువుని సింధు కుటుంబానికి ఇవ్వదలుచుకున్నాడు, వారి యొక్క కుటుంబానికి ఇవి సహాయపడతాయని చెప్పి వాళ్ళకి ఎప్పుడైతే నేను కలిసినప్పుడు నాకు కుదిరినప్పుడు ఆ వస్తువుని వారి కుటుంబానికి ఇద్దాం అనుకున్నాడు. ఓకే, సో లెట్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్. సో కాపీ ఇట్ అండ్ లెట్ us discuss about remaining two questions in the next class. Go children, copy it. Copy them. What had captain decided to do with the packages? The captain decided to deposit them to the family members of Sindhupal for their benefits. Okay? Finished? Right. When you write neatly. Okay, so the homework is for you is learn and write first, second, third question and answers one time in rough book. It's your homework. Okay, learn and write one time these three question and answers in your rough book one time. Practice them, learn them. That is your homework. Okay children? Okay, clear, understood? Thank you, have a good day.